Hey guys, so I just filmed a DIY on glitter paste. So I've always wanted to use glitter paste, but I don't own any, so I figured I'd make it myself. So I looked up some recipes on Pinterest, and I used one of them, but I wasn't really impressed with the quality of it. So that night while I made some, I mixed, I messed with the measurements and came up with some myself. And I really like my version better, which is this one. It's just much more glittery. It's not cracking as much because there is more glue and paint rather than baby powder, which is what this one had me do. And if you can see on the edges, it's really cracking and stuff. Even though you can see the glitter in it, it's not as shiny as I would have wanted it. So yeah, I showed you guys how I did that today. It's very easy. This is the glitter paste that I did today. Making glitter paste is extremely easy. All you need are some basic things. You need some Elmer's glue. You need some metallic paints, and this is actually very important. When I first made them, I didn't have metallic paints. I just used normal colors, and it takes away some of the shine from the glitter paste. So definitely use some metallic paints, some Corse glitters. So I found these at Walmart for about 88 cents, I believe, and they're just a little bit coarser and thicker. They're the chunkier glitter. And then some fine glitter. These I found at the dollar store. They bring 6 baggies, and they come in all different colors, which was convenient because big bottles of glitter are expensive, and I don't know why. I also bought these little containers at the dollar store. They come with 10, and they have little lids for them. You are going to need a little bit of baby powder. I just have some in this little container, and I literally just sprinkle a little bit on. I have this bag of little spatulas that I found at the dollar store, and I think it came with 6, because I have a couple just laying around there. These are actually really good. They're just $1, and you get 5 or 6. And then to use your glitter paste, I like to use mine with stencils. So I have these. These are from Michael's. They came with a stamp set, but Michael's does have other stencils that you can buy, ranging from $2.99 to crazy expensive. So in the video that I show you, I did just I bought everything, but I will leave measurements of how I measured everything out the first time down below in the description box, so that way you guys can have the correct measurements. I will leave some links down below of what else you can use glitter paste for. What else? So yeah, so if you guys would like to see how I created this glitter paste, then just keep watching.